to install iOS 15 beta 8 on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open the Safari browser on your iPhone and search beta.apple.com. So here's the website. Scroll down, tap on the sign in. Now enter your Apple ID. So here is my Apple ID. So guys, after signing in your Apple ID, scroll down, tap on enroll your iOS device. Scroll down and now tap on download profile. Tap on allow, go back to settings. Here is the profile downloaded. Tap on it, tap on install, enter your iPhone passcode, tap on install again, tap on not now, none, go back and tap on software update. So here you can see this guys, iOS 15 public beta 8. So guys, I didn't have the storage to install this software. You can install from like my method. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.